Welcome to Topic Talk. I'm Amy, your host for today's lesson.
And I'm Brian. Today we're diving into Topic 2 Reading Lesson 5 Advanced Vocabulary and Grammar Integration.
That's right. This is one of the most important lessons for Topic 2 preparation. Brian, are you ready?
Ready as a Korean student before a big exam. Let's go!
You know, Brian, learning Korean vocabulary is like eating Korean food. The more you try, the more you want.
Ha! That's so true. I started with kimchi, now I can't stop eating tteokbokki and studying Korean at the same time.
Let's start with our learning objectives for today.
By the end of this lesson, students will understand complex passages using advanced vocabulary, analyze grammar structures, and effectively solve Topic 2 reading questions.
First, let's learn 10 key vocabulary words. These words will appear in today's reading passages.
Pay close attention. These are advanced words that frequently appear in the Topic 2 exam.
Number 1. Sustainable. For example, we must strive for sustainable development.
우리는 지속 가능한 발전을 위해 노력해야 합니다. 지속 가능하다.
Number 2. To emit or discharge. Example. The factory is emitting pollutants.
공장에서 오염 물질을 배출하고 있습니다. 배출하다.
Number 3. Serious or severe.
심각하다.
Number 4. To replace or substitute.
대체하다.
Number 5. Communication.
소통.
Number 6. To change or transform.
변화하다.
Number 7. Direct.
직접적.
Number 8. To depend on or rely on.
의존하다.
Number 9. To decrease or reduce.
감소하다.
And number 10. To activate or vitalize. Great vocabulary list.
활성화하다.
Now let's study 2 key grammar patterns for today.
기 위해서.
Grammar number 1. This means in order to and is used to express purpose.
For example, I exercise in order to maintain my health.
건강을 지키기 위해 운동을 합니다.
Grammar number 2. This means on the other hand or whereas, used to contrast two situations.
는 반면에.
Example. Online communication is convenient, whereas misunderstandings occur easily.
온라인 소통은 편리한 반면에 오해가 생기기 쉽습니다.
Amy, speaking of contrasts, Korean barbecue is delicious, whereas my cooking is, not so much.
Huh. That's a perfect use of the grammar. Everyone, Brian just used the grammar pattern correctly. Now let's read our first passage. The topic is environmental issues and sustainable development.
Listen carefully as I read the passage.
현대 사회는 급속한 산업 발전으로 많은 혜택을 누리고 있습니다. 그러나 이러한 발전은 심각한 환경 문제를 초래했습니다. 특히 화석 연료의 과도한 사용으로 인해 대기 중에 이산화탄소가 많이 배출되고 있습니다. 이는 지구 온난화의 주요 원인이 되고 있습니다.
Modern society enjoys many benefits from rapid industrial development. However, this development has caused serious environmental problems. In particular, excessive use of fossil fuels is emitting large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This is becoming a major cause of global warming.
이러한 문제를 해결하기 위해 세계 각국은 지속 가능한 발전을 추구하고 있습니다. 지속 가능한 발전이란 현재 세대의 필요를 충족시키면서도 미래 세대가 사용할 자원을 보존하는 것을 의미합니다.
To solve these problems, countries around the world are pursuing sustainable development. Sustainable development means meeting the needs of the present generation while preserving resources for future generations.
Now, question 1. What is the main idea of this passage?
Choice 1, the history of industrial development. Choice 2, types of fossil fuels. Choice 3, environmental problems and the necessity of sustainable development. Choice 4, disadvantages of renewable energy.
The answer is number 3. The passage introduces environmental problems and explains the necessity of sustainable development.
Question 2. Which explanation about sustainable development is correct?
Choice 1, it is development only for the present generation. Choice 2, it is developing while preserving resources for future generations. Choice 3, it considers only economic development. Choice 4, it has no relationship with environmental problems.
Answer, number 2. The passage clearly states that sustainable development means meeting present needs while preserving resources for future generations.
Question 3. Which explanation about renewable energy is not correct?
Choice 1, it includes solar and wind power. Choice 2, it can replace fossil fuels. Choice 3, initial investment costs are low. Choice 4, it can reduce environmental pollution.
Answer, number 3. The passage says initial investment costs are high, not low. This is a common trick in topic questions.
Topic trick questions. They're like Korean mystery dramas, you think you know the answer, then twist.
Exactly. Always read carefully. Now let's move to passage 2. Passage 2 is about changes in communication in modern society.
과거에는 사람들이 주로 직접 만나서 대화하거나 편지를 통해 소통했습니다. 그러나 현대 사회에서는 기술의 발전으로 소통 방식이 크게 변화했습니다. 특히 스마트폰과 인터넷의 보급으로 언제 어디서나 실시간으로 소통할 수 있게 되었습니다.
In the past, people mainly communicated by meeting in person or through letters. However, in modern society, communication methods have changed significantly due to technological advancement. In particular, with the spread of smartphones and the internet, it has become possible to communicate in real time anytime, anywhere.
온라인 소통은 시간과 공간의 제약을 받지 않는다는 장점이 있습니다. 그러나 얼굴을 보지 않고 소통하다 보니 감정이나 의도가 정확하게 전달되지 않아 오해가 생기기 쉽습니다.
Online communication has the advantage of not being limited by time and space. However, since we communicate without seeing faces, emotions and intentions are not conveyed accurately, making misunderstandings easy to occur.
Question 4. What is the topic of this passage?
Choice 1, the development process of smartphones. Choice 2, changes in communication methods in modern society and their effects. Choice 3, how to write letters. Choice 4, types of social media.
Answer, number 2. The passage discusses how communication has changed and what effects it has had.
Question 5. Which is not an advantage of online communication?
Choice 1, not limited by time and space. Choice 2, can connect with people worldwide. Choice 3, emotions are conveyed accurately. Choice 4, information can be shared quickly.
Answer, number 3. The passage says emotions are not conveyed accurately online. That's a disadvantage, not an advantage.
Final question. Question 6. What is the writer's attitude?
Choice 1, only online communication should be used. Choice 2, completely opposes online communication. Choice 3, a balance between online and direct communication is necessary. Choice 4, we should return to past communication methods.
Answer, number 3. The writer says we should enjoy online communication but also value face-to-face conversation.
Now let's talk about common mistakes students make on these types of questions.
First mistake, focusing only on part of the passage. Always read the whole text before answering.
Second mistake, being misled by words from the passage in the answer choices. Just because the word appears doesn't mean it's correct.
Third mistake, not understanding the writer's attitude. Watch for contrast expressions like to understand the balance in the writer's view.
는 반면에.
Let's do a quick review. Brian, can you use today's grammar in a sentence?
Sure. Online communication is convenient, whereas face-to-face communication builds deeper connections.
Perfect. And for vocabulary, remember, sustainable, emit, serious, replace, communication, change, direct, depend, decrease, and vitalize.
That's all for today's Topic 2 Reading Lesson 5. Great work, everyone!
Remember to review today's vocabulary and try making your own sentences with the grammar patterns.
And remember, studying Korean is like climbing Bukhansan Mountain. It's tough, but the view from the top is amazing.
Huh. Well said, Brian. See you next time on Topic Talk. Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.
다음에 또 만나요.